This 2026 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 263BHXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 31 feet 9 inches in length and features a Eclipse interior, sleeps 10, awning, leveling jacks, water heater, external shower, smoke detector, stovetop burner, microwave, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 263BHXL is 5,854 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.